sound mixer, 3 input channel sound mixer, sound recorder. This is a Zeppelin wind baffle with a shotgun microphone inside of it. Headphones, of course. Adapter pair headphones, which could be important. Okay, so we already put batteries inside of everything. Batteries inside of the sound recorder. I'm going to start here, please. Put your batteries inside of the sound recorder. We're using a condenser microphone. And as we said with condenser microphones, they need to be powered. This is a shotgun microphone. It needs power in order to work. Take one of these XLR cables. And with the female end of the XLR cable, I'm going to plug it into the shotgun microphone. Since this cable is fairly fat, don't try to use this fuzz holder here. Go down to this point, push it in here, push it into the second point here as well. Okay, then you'll have this. Okay, leave some excess in the back here, so that shock does not go from here up to the microphone. You can now put this back into the Zeppelin. Slides in, lock it off, put this in the little space here. Close it up. For this exercise, we're not going to put the microphones on a boom pole, we're going to have it on a mic stand, so that you will just have it standing there. Right? I'm going to put this down. So this microphone is already set up and waiting to be plugged into some device. We go back to the mixer. The batteries are in the mixer. It's 3 channels. You choose a channel that you want to plug this microphone into. We'll go with my input 1. You plug it into input 1. Microphone, what signal is coming from here to this piece of machine, you have to set it with this switch here. It's a microphone. You see it, you can set this to line or mic. As I said, it's a microphone, so you set this to microphone. Right? It's a condenser microphone. This microphone needs to be powered somehow. There's one way to do that. You look for a 48 volt switch on this device, send power to that. It's not here. Different mixers have it different places. It's not here. It's not here. This is the input side of the mixer. This is the output side. With this mixer, it's inside of the machine. And there's a little some labeling here to tell you in which input channel, which switch corresponds to that. So in input 1, just going to look for that channel, which is this one in the back here, and there's what they call a dip switch. Take something like a pen, not a metallic device, because there are already batteries inside here. And you flick this to phantom power, which is in this down position. Okay, switch is inside there. Close this back up. Turn all of the input levels down. This is the power switch. Put the power switch on. Okay, batteries are okay. You can switch it off for now because you have something else to set up. Audio has to get to the recorder from here and to your camera as well. So for that you need 4 outputs. This mixer only has 2. So you use these cables to split your outputs. Output left. Now has two outputs coming out from left. Output right now has two outputs coming out from right. It's good to label these as well so that you're not confused. Just put left on these with a piece of tape, right on these with a piece of tape. And what happens from here now is one of these would go one left into this piece of machine. Okay, some short extensions here. So this is the left side, one left. We're going to this recorder, left. And you take one right from the mixer. Again into here. It's good to have these cables like different colors so it's easy to trace them. If everything is red, it's kind of confusing. I'll just put this to the back so you can see it clearly. Put this over here. So you can see how things are running. So this, from here to here, signal comes to here. We still have one left free, one right free. You use red as right. This now goes up to the camera right. Bring it to the camera. Plug it into the right side here. Take channel 2. And one other cable, which is left side. Move that along. See that it comes here as well. And this stuff goes across to here. This is the left side into the camera. Right, so pay attention to this. This. See, one here, one here, one here. So you start putting all your machines on. Mixer on, recorder on. Camera is on already. Okay. So look at what signal you're sending from here to here now. We already did it for the microphone. It's a mic level coming from here. So it's at mic level here. You can choose now if you're going to send a light mic or line level out from this mixer. I suggest you use the mic output from this because it will be easier to set up everything. So you put this, all of these on mic, like that. So you come across here and use the mic inputs. Why I suggest that? Because this is the line inputs. Right? So you use the mic inputs. When you use the mic inputs, the recorder, you put these two switches here. You see line and mic. Switch all of them to mic. Plus, put these on -0 as well. Yeah. Right? That brings down the signal that is coming into here. Go across to the camera, you plug the cables into the camera, and on the camera you go into the menu and set up the camera on mic. Why? Because this is on mic, this is on mic, you set that up on mic. Okay? Come back to here. There's a tone switch on this mixer. Put that on. Turn up the output to have the level going to where you want it. I would say midway on the meters here, as opposed to going full 0. Right? Turn up the output together. If you put your headphones in here, you should hear noise coming out of it. Headphone volume. Turn the volume down, bring the headphones across here. you go to this machine, I'll set up this machine in terms of file and all of that, so you'll know how to go through. When you come across here, just press this to set this up, and you adjust the level coming into this machine using this thing here, right, which is the adjust input wheel. So you adjust it until it comes up to we were saying minus 18 or minus 20. Right now it's on what, like 20? Okay, right now it's on 20. Oh, I have to max it out, but pay it in the headphone volume up so you can hear this properly. So the tune is actually reaching across here now, right? So from this point, go to the camera now and plug this into the camera headphone. Somebody plug it in there for me. Still have the tone running. Right, and most likely these are the cameras that we're going to be using. These are the wheels here. So you just turn this a bit more this way so that everybody can see this wheel. This way. So now you adjust these until you get the levels coming up to, as we say, 3/4 or a little bit above half, since there are no numbers. But you have to make sure that the camera is set to mic. If you could go into the menu and make sure it's set on mic. Okay, so turn until it goes up to come on this way. Make sure double check these things here. What is this section here? What is this thing here? And so that you're not getting everything. Go back into the menu real quick, let me see.